Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be more for the E36 guys, my longtime followers. I still got her, but she's looking a little crusty. She needs a bath and put back together, but I still have her. A little different than when you guys have seen her lately. No more spoiler, wheels, interior. That's a big change on it. Going back to the original Dove leather, but I still have a little bit of Alcantara left on it. Kind of miss driving this car a little bit. I have a lot of memories and fun times with it. It was quite the build, and I just kind of got a little tired and bored with it and just figured I needed something new and different. So that's what I've been away for a bit and worked and saved and ended up getting the new Porsche. I wouldn't necessarily call it a replacement car, but I definitely needed something different. Lately I've been tossing the idea around of just selling it just to clear some garage space. Not sure if anybody would really be interested in it at the moment. I'll probably start working on the interior here soon. I'm starting to get a little more motivation as I go. Biggest concern that I have with it is it has started smoking out of the exhaust a little bit. I think part of the problem was from the supercharger that was on it. I had a lot of oil pass through, and I ended up adding a catch can to it to try to relieve some of that oil. But I think right now it's kind of working on burning it off, but I need to really check on it and make sure everything's good on it. But now that I have the Porsche, I've kind of gotten a little more excited about car stuff lately. It's kind of nice to get out and enjoy this stuff every once in a while, and maybe that's just going to give me enough motivation to get back on it. What do you guys think? I think I'm just gonna been tossing the idea also about going back to stock body instead of the wide body. It'd be kind of sad to get rid of the wide body. As some of you know, it started off as felony form over fenders, but then I just wanted to kind of take it to the next step and kind of create my own idea of the wide body. So I modified the fenders kind of more like the E36 M3s. I think it fits the E36 pretty nicely, and it was quite popular, I guess. I got a lot of great feedback from you guys. My other biggest thing that I need to do is just get in on this interior and really start cleaning it up. Everything's just dusty and just kind of tucked in here. I have a leak in the airbag set up, so my car ends up dropping all the way down while it's just sitting for a while. But pretty much everything's here. It wouldn't take much to get this thing looking sharp and back on the road. That's kind of one of the good things about it. Then my biggest concern is, of course, the smoking from the exhaust. I hope it's not too big of an issue. I'd like to just put the car together and enjoy it some, and then start thinking about possibly selling it. That's probably my best plan of action on it. But here she is, and just wanted to let you guys know a little update on it, that I still have it. And man, I wish I would have started a YouTube channel back when I first was building this and having it in the body shop, and all my drawings and explanation of this wide body, how I wanted it. I got it all pretty much set up where it flows with the original doors, and the rear bumper looks all factory. So that was just my biggest idea, that I wanted to just make it look kind of factory. Anyways, if you guys would like to see more E36 content, just let me know, and then I can make that happen. I could film the process of putting the interior back and kind of diagnosing everything and seeing what exactly is all wrong with it. It's been setting for a good 3 years now, so definitely some things that needs attention on it, but hopefully not too much, like I said. And anyways, hope you guys like this kind of shorter video, and I'll catch you guys later.